everyone, welcome back to my channel, All Things Mishkaya. Today I have another recipe for you guys, actually two. I'm doing two different kinds of chicken wings, really simple and easy. I will be making a garlic Parmesan chicken wings and honey garlic chicken wings. Why two garlic wings? Because I love garlic. Anyway, stay tuned. Okay guys, so I already have my chicken wings seasoned and I separated it into, which I really didn't need to do because both chicken are going to be fried the same way. So first I'm going to be adding some flour to my plate, a little bit of cayenne pepper, for some heat, and some black pepper. Then I'm gonna mix it all together, have it all nice and mixed in. Okay, so before I flour my chicken, I'm just gonna add my peanut oil to my frying pan, and I'm gonna have it preheated so that when I'm finished, it'll be all nice and hot. So I'm adding my chicken to my flour, and I'm getting a nice coating of flour on them. Okay, so now that I have had my chicken nicely coated with flour, I will now be putting my chicken in my preheated oil to let it fry. So let's get to it. The chicken's not wet. Okay, while the chicken is frying, you need to keep an eye on it so that it doesn't burn on one side. So you just flip it as you go along. Okay, so I did reduce the heat on my chicken because I want the inside of my chicken to cook, because if I left it on high, the outside is going to brown but the inside will remain uncooked. So that's the reason for me reducing the heat. Okay, so now I'm removing my chicken from the oil because it's nice and golden brown. Okay, here I am again. I'm coating my chicken to put in my preheated oil. The reason why I split the chicken in two is because the first batch I fried in peanut oil. That's going to be my honey garlic chicken. And this one I'm just gonna fry in regular vegetable oil because this is going to be my Parmesan chicken. That's why I split the chicken in half. chicken is all nice and golden brown. So I'm going to begin removing them from the pan, and I'm just going to put them on some paper towel to let the excess oil drain off. Okay, so now that my chicken is all fried and golden brown and looking nice, I'm gonna get to the sauces. The first one I'm gonna make is the garlic Parmesan sauce. Yeah, I'll basically be melting some butter with some garlic in it, and then I'm gonna melt some Parmesan cheese in it, and then I'm gonna put my chicken in, get it all coated and nice, and then I'm gonna just put it in the oven for just a little bit, and then that'll be done, and then I'll get started on my honey garlic sauce. So now I'm going to be making my honey garlic sauce. I'm going to be putting 2 tablespoons of olive oil in the pot, and then I'm going to add some minced garlic, and then I'm going to add the other sauces like the soy sauce and honey and black pepper, and then I'm going to let everything simmer, and then I'm going to put my chicken in. Okay, so my chicken is in the oven. I'll be making a quick sangria to go with my chicken. This is more like a Christmas themed one. It's like an apple cranberry sangria. It's really quick and it's easy. It's big. I'll put it together in no time. Okay, so everything is finished, looking really nice. So I just want my friend Errol to come on camera and try these chicken recipes for the first time.
Chicken, honey garlic, correct?
Yeah.
It was good. I knew it. I like sweet.
You like it?
I like my chicken like sweet.
Okay, so when you taste the other one, let me know which one you prefer. Because I'm going with the garlic Parmesan. That's my favorite of the two.
Honestly, I like sweet. So, pretty sure this is gonna win.
Alright, we'll see.
Like, yeah.
And this is the garlic Parmesan chicken wing.
It's good.
But which one do you prefer?
Oh, this one, the one with
You like the honey garlic
the honey
better?
garlic, yeah.
This one is my favorite.
No, because I like sweet. Like, I like kind of like bourbon chicken, barbecue chicken. I like that stuff.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that does sound it kind of tastes like bourbon chicken. That was a good description. No.
Oh, that?
Yeah.
Yeah, it does. Exactly.
It does kind of taste like
anything that's sweet is going to win me over. Like, I like this, though. But it's just not as good as that. You know, if you like sweet and if you like barbecue chicken, bourbon chicken, you definitely go with that one. The honey.
This is nice and salty.
But it's good, though. It's not really salty.
It's not.
It's not. That's good.
I try to control myself.
Sangria.
All of it, little ice,
Trying that out. Refreshment.
Wait, did any of the apple coming through? Yeah. I think he's supposed to like soak for a second.
No, it tastes bad.
Did I say something?
It tastes good. It's refreshing.
Oh my god.
Yeah. It's refreshing. That's all I can say.
This is a cranberry apple sangria. Okay guys, so there you have it. Another successful recipe of my garlic Parmesan chicken and my honey garlic chicken wings. And then I paired it with some apple cranberry sangria. And thanks for watching my videos, and I hope you will like and subscribe, and I'll definitely see you in my next video. Bye!